Oh, hello, sweetheart. Hey, what's the matter? What's all that noise? Hush, darling. Were you wondering where I was? Oh, did you think I'd gone out without telling you? Oh, sweetheart, you know I would never do that. It's okay, my darling. Mummy's here. Mummy's not gone anywhere. I would never do that to you, my darling. No, I wouldn't. I promise. I just thought, as it's such a lovely day, I would sit outside to drink my coffee, listen to the birds and enjoy the sunshine. I thought you knew where I'd gone. I'm so sorry, darling. I'll make sure next time I tell you, okay? I never want you to think that I've abandoned you or left you, because you know that I would never do that to you. Don't you? Yeah, because I love you far too much. I'm never going to leave you, my darling. But I know in the moment your head, it can tell you lies, can't it? I know, baby boy. I know. Come here and let Mummy stroke that cute little head of yours. There. Good kitty. Doesn't that feel better already? You've got your mummy. And Mummy's fingers give you the best scritches, don't they? My good boy. I'm right here. Just enjoy the peace and quiet with Mummy. Life moves so quickly sometimes that we all just need time to sit back, relax and unwind. So just breathe in slowly and... The birds aren't taunting you, my darling. You don't need to go and chase them. No, sweetheart. No. Just stay here with Mummy. Relax with Mummy. We're just taking a moment to refresh and recharge. We don't need to be go, go, go all the time. Now let your eyes close, my sweetheart, as Mummy gives you head pats, feeling your soft fur. Good boy. Relax all those tense muscles for me. Good boy. That's it. Scritch, scritch, scritch. You're such a good kitty. You're the best. You're the best good boy. Lean into Mummy's fingers as I find the best spots. Oh. Do you like it there? Right behind your ear. Good boy. You're doing so well, my darling. Just feel the stress melting away. Any anxieties, doubts or worries, let them be carried away by that gentle breeze. And just feel the warmth of the sun on your fur. Just calm, peace, relaxed. We don't need to be anywhere right now. It's just you and I, my darling. Just your mummy and her favourite good boy. I know you've been stuck in fight or flight for so long, which makes it really hard to relax. Always feeling like you have something to do, or somewhere to be, or something that needs you. But you don't have to be like that anymore, darling. Because Mummy's here to help you. Mummy's here to share the burden, okay? And I want you to share your worries with me, your stresses, your anxieties. They're not silly. They're not insignificant. And they're not small. I want to help you in any way that I can. You don't have to do anything on your own, my sweet one. Not when Mummy's here. So let me help you, darling. Even if it's just doing this. Scritching your ears. And helping you relax. I just want the best for you. Because you deserve it. You deserve to feel love. To feel wanted. You really do deserve everything. And that's why I love to spoil you. Treat you. Buy you new toys and your favourite snacks. Because you are one special kitty. And as your mummy, it's my job to make you realise that. Because I know you think that you're not worthy or you're not good enough. But listen to Mummy, darling. Listen to my voice. Make Mummy's voice louder than all the other ones in your head. Because you are worthy. You are enough. And you are so very, very brave. You're the bravest little kitty I know. You've been through so much. And I'm so proud of how far you've come. A few weeks ago, you wouldn't have come outside with me. You were too scared. But with love and some gentle coaxing with treats, we got there, didn't we? Mummy showed you that the outside world isn't a bad place. And in fact, on days like this, when it's sunny, calm and just so peaceful, it can be rather nice. So we're going to get there, my darling. Together. I promise. It just takes time. And Mummy has all the time in the world for you. Always. Good boy. Now, I think it's getting rather late. How about we go inside and go fix us some dinner? Now that perked your ears up. Do you want your dinner, baby boy? Come on then, my pretty kitty. Let's go have some dinner.